Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy NFTs on OpenSea, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase digital collectibles on the world's largest NFT marketplace. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. Install the browser extension or mobile app and create a new wallet. Step 2. Purchase Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange and transfer it to your wallet. Ensure you have enough ETH to cover both the NFT price and gas fees. Step 3. Visit OpenSea.io and click Connect Wallet in the top right corner. Select your wallet provider and authorize the connection through your wallet. Step 4. Browse NFTs by searching for specific collections, artists, or categories. Use filters to sort by price, rarity, recently listed, or other criteria. Step 5. Click on an NFT listing to view details including price, properties, trading history, and seller information. Research the project and verify authenticity. Step 6. If satisfied, click Buy Now for immediate purchase at the listed price, or click Make Offer to propose a different price to the seller. Step 7. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and pay the gas fee. Once the blockchain confirms the transaction, the NFT will appear in your wallet and OpenSea profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.